Hello friends, today I am going to start the topic of technology in our India. How rapidly the technology network is expanding in our India. Myself Poonam Lade and I am going to say the superpower in IT sector of our India. Information technology is the use of any computer, storage, networking and other physical devices, infrastructures which processes to create, process, store, secure and exchange all forms of electronic data. The information which has been stored in electronic data in the server and it is very easily available, it is just because of the IT sector. IT industry is considered as the one of the best country in India. There are Office Words and Microsoft is in the number one position in our India. IT was born in 1967 by the Tata Consultancy Services, who partnered with Borrow in 1977 and exported IT services in SEPs. Forwarded software exports were SEPs in the 1980s. This is the diagram of GDP in the financial year of 2009 to 2021. The GDP has been declined in 2017 at a 7.7% and which is now in 2021 is increasing by 8%. In the world, India and China are definitely counted as a serious among emerging powers in IT sectors, but as per the human capital, India ranks 35 in the ahead of China, Malaysia, Philippines and Vietnam. But in legal environment, India ranks in 48 below its overall ranking at 46. The study of 64 number of countries has included that overall business environment including the policy regime, IT infrastructure involving of features like broadband penetration, human capital, education scenario, legal environment is all in the form of IT. Emerging research and development sector also, the features are availability of the finance. This is the another diagram of IT sector. IT services is 57.9% usage, whereas the BPM is 18.6% and software and products of engineering services is 23.5%. In the last financial year of 2013, that is 32 to 76%. In domestic usage, IT sector was used as a 32%. Recently, 2 years back, our country has gone through a pandemic situation in which in COVID-19 there are two major resets or shifts has been established, an acceleration in the pace of digital transformation and a novel, or whereas the another sector is hybrid work model that has redefined the dimensions of already evolving workplace and work culture. In this situation, the IT sector has helped many more employees to work from their home and to gain their income through the IT industries, and the economic industry also developed. This is another example of 2021. How many of companies has indulged the 3 C's, that is cloud, collaboration and cyber security at the heart of recovery. In the year 2020, the year that the global technology industry is shined. Most firms are increasing in outsourcing through the IT sector. Changing business models, developing strategies for a digital world is the key business in IT sector. Consolidating the core business, the management and advertising agencies are using the IT sector in very far. Indian market witnessing the extreme digitization through the bankers, investors. These all are the sectors they are using the IT sector very much. IT performance was expected to be record a positive growth of 2.3% in the financial year of 2021, whereas $194 billion in e-commerce export was $1.150 billion, whereas the growth is expected to be year-to-year growth is expected to be 8 to 9% in the forecast of financial year 2022. As per the NASSCOM said that the sector revenue is estimated to rise 15.5% to 2021 to 2022. The growth will be from India's GDP will be grow from 8 to 9%. Ongoing quarterly expectation 8 to 9% is recorded in the GDP sector. Average cost of all cyber attacks. There are the advantages of this IT sector as well as there are the disadvantages. Here is a diagram which is showing the cyber attacks in 2018 to 2019. I hope so. The IT sector will emerge very far in the forthcoming years also. Thank you for paying attention to this video.